boy, let me tell you, I had to break out the old Hoffman sweatshirts. It is a little bit chilly. 53. We need our 70s and 80s back. Just saying. So today, let me first start my video with a couple of shout outs. The first one is, I've been watching my analytics pretty close, and I want to put a shout out to Steve Petner. He is my top commenter for last week, so thank you, Steve. I do appreciate it. And I also have to put a shout out to my dad, because he picked this thing up that I'm going to show you, and it is going to make all the difference in the world this winter, because when it gets cold, those doors are going to be closed. It's only one light up here that is going to be covering the roof and not the inside. So, my dad picked up this awesome light. He went to Harbor Freight. This is a Braun. Anyway, this is a cool light. You have two different settings, bright and a brighter, and it also, this is going to make a difference. Look at this. It's got magnets on the end. It unscrews. You have this elastic thing on here, and if you need to put it inside, it's got a little hook. Check that out. That's going to come in handy, especially for the detail that I got to do today. But I wanted to kind of show you how that's going to work. Now this side, same thing. It's got magnets, and I can wrap it around and connect it to the roof. You know, magnet to the roof in some cars. Some you probably can't. And then take it inside and wrap the other side around. Now that's probably for the smaller cars, but let me install this where I'm going to be using it today, and we'll check this out. Okay, we're going to use this thing. So cool. I love it. I love having the option, because you can't get nothing done in the darkness, and what you do get done is going to look like crap. So you just unscrew it and you pull the hook and hook it up. This is on a big SUV. So just unscrew it, pull the hook out, and there it is. Are we ready? Look at that. Look at that. And look how it lights up that seat for me to see. I'm gonna like that. Definitely. Look at there. I can even turn it and make it work for me. Yay! Holy cow. This is awesome. If you do not have a light like this, some form or fashion, you've got to get yourself one. It is a Braun. It cost about $40 at Harbor Freight, and he can use it when he's working on the vehicles, and I can use it for detailing so I can see better inside. It may take me a little time to kind of figure out how to, place it properly in some vehicles, but it won't take long. I'll figure it out. I'm pretty good about figuring things out. So, what do you think? This is definitely going to be a big help, especially for today. So that's my preview to my next video. These seats, do you remember them? Anyway, I just had to share with you this little light. I love the fact that it's bright. I love the fact that I can pretty much jockey it to fit in a big SUV like this one, or I could make it fit into a little one some kind of way. I love it. Anyway, okay, next video. Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.